So after the failure of this Aspen mini aqua pump, don't know if it's the actual pump that failed or something in here, or whether it's this sensor, but I bought another one. I got this one, I got a mini orange pump. They're about the same, they're just a different shape, although for some reason they have completely different connectors. This one has this bigger connector for the power and a little telephone style connector for the sensor, but this works basically. I've got it turned on. Here's the sensor. We put the ring in so there's no water in. We put it up there and it comes on. Back down, goes off. On, off. On, off. That works absolutely fine. So I've got a new pump. I will install it and hopefully it will work reliably for some time to come. So there's the pump all wired up and plumbed in. It's just loose at the moment. I'll have to tie it to something and put some vibration dampening in, but let's just go and see if it works. I'll just pour some water in it and I'll just leave the camera running and hopefully it won't leak.